Garlic can combat sickness, including the common cold. Onions are nutrient-dense, meaning they're low in calories but high in vitamins and minerals. Romas are a great source of potassium, vitamin C, and many other nutrients. Getting more tomatoes into your diet may make you less likely to have a stroke, which is when blood flow gets cut off to a part of your brain. Studies suggest that they may ease inflammation, boost your immune system, lower your cholesterol levels, and keep your blood from clotting. But amazingly, Romas have several beneficial forms of nutrients in the vitamin A family, including lutein, zeaxanthin, and lycopene. Coconut milk is full of B vitamins, C and B, and is also rich in magnesium, phosphorus, iron, and potassium.